In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how many Pumpfun traders are making money. If you want a clearer picture of trader profitability on Pump.fun, the first thing to understand is that the headline numbers can be a little misleading. When you go to the Pump.fun platform, you may come across data suggesting that a large share of active wallets are showing positive returns. In some reports, that number is as high as 73%. At first glance, that sounds like most traders are doing very well, but that is not really the full story. What matters is not just whether a wallet is technically profitable, but how much profit it is actually making. A wallet can be considered profitable even if the gains are very small. In practice, most of the traders who are in profit are only earning modest amounts. For many of them, the total monthly profit is less than $500. So while a large percentage of wallets may appear to be winning, the majority are not making the kind of money that significantly changes their financial situation. This is where context becomes very important. Positive returns do not automatically mean major success. Small gains can disappear quickly because of volatility, trading fees, or changing market conditions. That is why it is helpful to look beyond the percentage of profitable wallets and focus on the distribution of those profits. According to the data referenced here, only a very small fraction of users are making substantial returns. Less than 1% of all users on the platform are locking in profits above $10,000. That means truly outsized results are rare, even on a platform known for fast-moving meme coin trading. So if you are evaluating how many Pump.fun traders are making money, the key takeaway is this. A lot of wallets may be slightly green, but only a tiny minority are achieving large, meaningful profits. That distinction helps you interpret the numbers more realistically and avoid assuming that broad profitability automatically means broad wealth. As a practical tip, whenever you review trading statistics on platforms like this, try to separate profitability into categories. Look at how many users are barely profitable, how many are earning moderate returns, and how many are actually reaching high profit levels. That gives you a much more accurate understanding of what is really happening. And that's the main insight. On Pump.fun, many traders may show some profit on paper, but very few are making life-changing money.